Hello and welcome to Yes You Can channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to factory reset your Lenovo TB-X104F, or it can sometimes be referred to as a Lenovo Tab E10 tablet. Go to settings, about, now here, reset options. Now this is the one you need, erase all data, factory reset. Tap onto that and just confirm. Press this button here. Erase everything, yes, tap onto that. And you got to wait a while now for it to do a factory reset. So everything will be wiped. It will be like brand new again. First time registration. Put your Gmail, Google account details again. And your tablet will be ready to be used again. I will fast forward this. Factory reset completed successfully. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.